This is a demo for the SAP AR Service Technician application. After starting the application, we can scan a QR code that is linked to a work order in the SAP Work Manager application. Doing so will download all the important information into the small glasses. We can now see generic information about the work order, such as the equipment ID, the work order ID, and the last time the data was downloaded on the device. We can now either load new data from Work Manager by scanning another QR code, show the instructions to go into the procedures related to that work order, or call an expert. Raising my head will start a voice recognition system, which will also display all the vocal commands that can be done in the application at that stage. Let's start by showing the instructions and go into the procedures for that work order. Pick 2. Using SAP Visual Enterprise, we now have a 3D model of the piece of equipment that needs to be repaired. The field service technician can go through the different steps to be able to disassemble the piece of equipment or to perform a specific procedures with voice recognition. We can go to the next step by saying next. Next.
Next, confirm.
Next.
Next, confirm. Remove screws from clutch pressure plate using 4mm Allen key.
We can see that the service technician has a 3D animation of the step and also have audio feedback. We can actually add textual feedback. Text on.
Text on, confirm.
Next.
Next, confirm. Remove clutch spring collar caps from clutch pressure plate.
The audio feedback or the text feedback can be enabled or disabled through voice commands. To go through the step, the service technician can say commands as next, previous, repeat, or a step number. Step 8.
Step 8, confirm. Remove O-ring.
The service technician can also enable autoplay mode by saying autoplay on, and then after saying next, all the steps will go through without having to say next every time, or to browse to a specific step. To stop the autoplay mode, the service technician can say stop. Let's now go to the parts mode where we can see all the parts contained in the piece of equipment. Parts.
Parts confirmed.
We can see a list of parts that is currently available to be selected for that piece of equipment. Let's select one in particular. Pick 4.
Pick 4 confirmed.
The selected piece is now isolated, so we can go in the detail mode. Details.
Details confirmed.
So there's currently no details for that part of the piece of equipment, but we can record voice notes to be able to create a knowledge database for all the different parts. Record.
Record confirmed.
Clutch drum has to be replaced.
Stop recording.
The voice note is added into the list with a timestamp. We can now play back directly from the smart glasses the voice note. Pick 1.
Pick 1 confirmed.
Clutch drum has to be replaced. We can also delete the voice note directly from the voice recognition. Go home.
Go home confirmed.
When a new voice note is created, it can be uploaded to Work Manager. To do so, we can go to the home screen and select Upload Data to Work Manager, an option that is currently available because we created a new voice note. The last feature that is available on this application is the Call Expert feature. That allows the service technician to call an expert that is not on site to be able to support him. And the expert is able to see what the field service technician is seeing through the camera on the smart glasses. Pick 4.
Pick 4 confirm.